kids movie. A kids movie. A little robot.
Yeah. Wally. Really? That's it? Come on, buddy. You can do better than that. Get the car. Get the car.
All right. All right, we gotta go. That's cool though. I think he's gonna throw it out our way.
Oh, look at the pieces of car. There's a washing machine.
He's mushing it.
Washing machine over there. I think.
A lot
That's
of
too awesome.
stuff though.